Hi everyone, welcome back to the studio. Today I thought I'd do a really quick little video just to show you how I package and ship my resin art. I remember when I first got an overseas shipment and I just about had a panic attack because I had no idea how to ship and protect this art to make it all the way to another country. So I learned that one of the most important things that you need is Glassine, which is a paper product that you put over the surface of your resin before you apply any other padding or material. So that will be shown in the video, and all of the links to all of the little goodies and all the extra things I like to do when I package my art will be listed below. And let's get to packaging some resin art. And here is that Glassine I was talking about. I also like to include a certificate of authenticity. I had these made at Vista print. It's just nice to include with an original piece of art, along with my business card and a personalized note. These microfiber cleaning cloths are perfect for cleaning off your resin art. They won't scratch it, and they'll get rid of those fingerprints and that dust. So the reason Glassine is so important is because it's acid-free, it's archival, it's super smooth, and it's exactly what museums and galleries use to wrap their art in. So I not only ship it, but I will wrap in my art to store it as well. It's really great, and I wouldn't skimp on this product. Definitely get yourself some Glassine. Now that I have my piece covered in Glassine, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it again in some craft brown paper. You can use whatever you want. I just happen to like the natural look of this, and it just gives it a little extra protection. I've got to say I'm a little obsessed with wax stamps. So this is just my preference and because I love to do it. I custom ordered a stamp with my signature on it, and then I just melt various colors and I seal my envelope with that. And it's just a lot of fun, and I just think it's an extra little special touch. So now that the pretty part is done with, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up in some foam wrap. You want to make sure you use poly foam and not bubble wrap, because all of those little bubbles can leave indentations in your artwork. So I like to stay away from that and stick to the foam wrap. Make sure the corners of your piece are extra padded. And of course, when I'm shipping overseas, I will wrap these up like a small child to make sure they get there really safe. You never know what they're going to go through getting through customs and all of that good stuff. Some of the thicker bubbles I will purchase just so I have it really secure, but a lot of my materials are recycled from deliveries from Amazon. So hang on to that bubble wrap and that good stuff, because it will come in handy when you're ready to ship off your art. And if you like these videos and you like what I'm doing, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. That sure helps me out a lot. And leave a comment below if you have a different way of packaging your art. I'd love to know if there's other ways of doing this. And remember to leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Happy creating, everyone. Have a great week.